Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we will explore Robinhood in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Robinhood as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.24. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of over 104% since we first designated Robinhood as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 2.1% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout at the top trend line at $100.92 will first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 134.21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 113.66% and 137.46%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 157.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 30.66% and 159.62% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $130.06 and $258.42. Our latest daily update for Robinhood includes the headline, Robinhood stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Robinhood stock price experienced a decline of 0.42% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, dropping from $99.96 to $99.54. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.22%, reaching a day low of $97.16 and a day high of $101.26. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 6.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 46 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $4.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $101.89, while the lowest price was $13.98. Currently, the price stands 2.31% lower, or $2.35, than the 52-week high of $101.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Robinhood Markets Incorporated, recognized by its ticker symbol HOOD, is experiencing a notable boost, rising 4.17% over the past week. This upward momentum is riding on the broader enthusiasm seen in retail trading, with Robinhood consistently capturing investor interest. The company recently closed at $99.94, marking a 1.63% increase, significantly outperforming the overall stock market trend. Among industry comments, Jim Cramer has spotlighted Robinhood in his 2025 PARC strategy, emphasizing its breakout potential compared to other meme stocks. Such high-profile endorsements can enhance investor confidence, likely fueling further interest. Wall Street analysts are also weighing in, suggesting that their recommendations can significantly impact HOOD's stock price. A positive analyst outlook in the current landscape of retail investing could bolster Hood's value in both short-term trading cycles and long-term strategic positioning. However, Robinhood is facing challenges, including fallout from its recent tokenized equities offering. The company launched this initiative alongside a promotional giveaway, but is now managing complications related to the rollout. While Robinhood stock has surged over 160% this year, scrutiny from regulators, particularly in the cryptocurrency sector, could pose risks ahead. In summary, while Robinhood is riding a wave of positive momentum and interest, it must navigate existing challenges to effectively sustain its growth trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Hood an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Hood an outperform rating, along with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Hood a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Hood an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Hood a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. The Robinhood stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $96.54 and $80.63. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 14, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.42%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 124 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell just 7 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average generated a buy signal 59 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. Should you wish to explore more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood finds support from accumulated volume at $97.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.10 between its high and low, reflecting a movement of 4.22%. Analyzing the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.05%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate substantial growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 29 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $99.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Robinhood faces its first support level at $97.98. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 7th of July 2025, pinner Jeffrey Svee executed an insider sale of 5,864 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of July 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Tenev Vladimir executed an insider sale of 750,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Tenev Vladimir executed an insider purchase of 750,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of July 2025, Tenev Vladimir executed another insider sale of 750,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 21.903. Overall, insiders purchased 8,755,789 shares and sold 13,758,628 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $95.86, representing a decrease of 3.7%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Robinhood stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate that Robinhood will open lower by 22 cents, beginning trading at $99.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.